Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on with me, the bikes, and what's going on around the garage right now. As you can see, I haven't put out a video in 6 months. Had some supply chain issues when it came to buying some of the internal parts of the motor for the Triumph. So it was back and forth. It took almost 3.5, 4 months just to get the parts. And then I had to send stuff out to the machine shop. And then I was able to put the motor together to the state you see it in now. I still have the primary work and some transmission work to do. I sold the chopper, the 77 FLH chopper. And I bought what's behind me is an 09 Super Glide, and been fixing that up and getting it where I want it. So there are videos that are going to come out on the Super Glide. There are videos that are coming out on the Triumph. Everything's in the works. But just as an update for you guys, I wanted to let you know what's going on with the bikes. So that's what's going on with the bikes. What's going on with me is in the past 6 months, I have some of my family, I've been going through family problems. I lost a family member to ALS. And then my father's health is going downhill. He's a senior citizen, and his health is going downhill due to lung cancer and COPD. So I've been dealing with that and taking care of my mother also. She's doing good though. But that's been what's going on with me and what's been going on with the bikes. And now for what's going on with the channel is I came to realize that if I'm doing a channel and it's centering around one motorcycle, I just can't do a video a week or a video every 2 weeks, mainly because in this day and age, you don't know if you're going to get parts that are going to come in fast enough and all that other stuff. And then, you know, when you send stuff out for other people to do, it takes time. So I'm incorporating other types of content. We're going to go on some rides. We're going to show you some places around the area that I live that are pretty cool. Well, at least I enjoy them. And I'm going to show you some how-to videos, like on how to paint stuff and how to fabricate and weld and things like that. So that's what's been going on with the bikes, what's been going on with me, and what's going on with the channel. And videos are coming out soon, and I will see you then. Talk to you later. Bye.